Italy, a country where history breathes through ancient ruins, where art flows through every street and where every meal is a masterpiece. Nestled in southern Europe, this boot-shaped land has captured the hearts of travelers for centuries. From the cobblestone alleys of Rome to the shimmering waters of Lake Como, Italy is more than a destination, it's a timeless experience. Italy, a country where history breathes through ancient ruins, where art flows through every street and where every meal is a masterpiece. Nestled in southern Europe, this boot-shaped land has captured the hearts of travelers for centuries. From the cobblestone alleys of Rome to the shimmering waters of Lake Como, Italy is more than a destination, it's a timeless experience. With breathtaking landscapes, passionate people, and a cultural legacy that changed the world, Italy offers more than anyone could explore in a single lifetime. But if you're planning your Italian journey, here are the top 10 best places to visit. A perfect mix of iconic sites and hidden gems. Number 10. Naples. Located in southern Italy, as the birthplace of pizza, its culinary roots run deep. Naples is a city of energy, contrasts, and character. Beyond the food, Naples boasts ancient castles and the beauty of the Bay of Naples. Bustling markets and a chaotic charm that's unmistakably Italian. From here, you're just steps away from the ruins of Pompeii. Number 9. The Italian Lake District. In northern Italy, nature meets elegance. With lakes like Garda, Como, and Maggiore shimmering beneath the Alps, this region has been a retreat for royalty and romantics for over a century. Think charming lakeside towns, luxury villas, and panoramic mountain views. Number 8. Sicily. The largest island in the Mediterranean, Sicily is a land of myths, mosaics, and magnificent food. From ancient Greek temples to Arab Norman cathedrals, the island's history is layered and alive. And towering above it all is Mount Etna, Europe's tallest active volcano, casting both beauty and awe over the island. Number 7. Cinque Terre, meaning five lands. These colorful cliffside villages cling to the Ligurian coastline like brushstrokes on a canvas. Rio Maggiore, Manarola, Vernazza, Monterosso, and Corniglia, each with its own charm. Explore the centuries-old hiking trails. Sip wine grown on ancient terraces and take in views you'll never forget. Number 6. Milan, Italy's fashion and financial capital. It's a city of sleek modernity and historic treasures. You'll find Da Vinci's Last Supper tucked away in a quiet convent, towering cathedrals piercing the skyline, and some of the most luxurious shopping streets in Europe. Milan is polished, powerful, and undeniably stylish. Number 5. The Amalfi Coast. A 30-mile stretch of coastline where cliffs plunge into sapphire seas and pastel villages cascade down the hillsides. From the romantic beauty of Positano to the artistic haven of Ravello, the Amalfi Coast is the definition of Mediterranean paradise. Number 4. Pompeii. Once a thriving Roman city, it was frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. Walk its ancient streets, see intact frescoes, bakeries, and homes, all preserved in volcanic ash. It's not just a sight, it's a haunting human story etched into stone. Number 3. Venice. A floating city unlike any other. Built on 118 islands and connected by over 400 bridges, marvel at the grandeur of St. Mark's Basilica. Venice is a living work of art. Drift through its canals by gondola, or simply get lost in its romantic, labyrinthine alleyways. Number 2. Tuscany. Rolling hills, golden sunsets, and Renaissance beauty. Tuscany is Italy's heart and soul. where you can taste Chianti among the vineyards, wander through medieval towns like San Gimignano, and bask in the masterpieces of Florence. Wander through medieval towns like Siena, it's where time slows down and life tastes better. And finally, number 1. Rome, the eternal city. Once the center of an empire, now a breathtaking fusion of past and present. Stand in the Colosseum's shadow, toss a coin in the Trevi Fountain, and walk through 2,500 years of human history, from the Vatican's spiritual grandeur to the lively cafes of Trastevere. Rome is a story that never ends. Italy is a country that speaks to the soul, through art, architecture, food, and feeling. Whether you're drawn by ancient ruins or coastal sunsets, what you'll find here is more than just beauty. It's a deeper connection to history, to culture, and perhaps even to yourself. Which of these places is on your Italy bucket list? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel inspiration from around the world.